So, good evening, friends. Today I am going to tell how to fill a form and how to submit, how to store them in Excel. So, here is the code in Visual Studio. So, this is the backend code and here is the front end code. So, this is the front end code and here is the backend code. So, I will show you a demo on it. So, here I am hosting locally, I am hosting my website. So, you can see student details, a form is arrived. So, my target is to enter I will enter these details in here form, and that detail should be stored in an Excel file. For example, enter your name. Let's say I'm typing it as Naresh. Mobile number, let's say one mobile number. Yeah, mail. Mail is, mm, let's say Sampath @gmail.com. This is for testing only. So instead of BTech, I will write PhD. See, date and time is automatically loaded. So comments, this is the test. So here I am submitting the form. So you can submit a form or you can download the previously saved forms. At present I am submitting the form. So you got a pop-up saying visitor information has been saved. So after pressing the link, it will show some instructions. So where I wrote this, I am wrote here in Visual Studio. Now what happened, that whatever the details we entered, that is stored in an Excel file. So I will open this. See here, visitor data is stored. See whatever the right, since I wrote the form, this is stored in Excel. See date, Naresh, phone number, Sampath, PhD, and here is the time, and this is a test. So how I developed, I will show you. So this is the backend code. So these are the all libraries. Here is the port number. So you can so at present I am locally hosting my website. You can host in mobile, through IP address, where you can open in multiple mobiles. So that thing also we can do, but if you are interested, I will tell in detail everything. So here is the creation of Excel sheet code. So here is the verification. So I told now you can download a form. You can download that form using this ID. Everything is there. Mm. So I did not show you this login logout form now. I will show this also. For example, I am going back. See download form. See one login to download is entered. So if I enter something without password, it will say sorry, login failed. So what is there? So when I press the download form, this login, it go to this login route and it will open login.html, and there we have to, there the password is verified. And let's see front end code. Front end code is this. So I think you know what is front end, what is back end. So this is the front end. mm, you see, you can able to, visitor can able to see this all. This is the front end. Back end is the where we can set a password, where we can download Excel, like that, where we can control that front end. That is the back end. Okay. So here is the code for this. Wait. Yeah, here is the code. You can also view by seeing VPH source. So this is the HTML code. Okay. So how, this is a very big long process. If you are interested, I will tell one by one. See, you have to write form ID. These are the this is the form. Okay. And this is the code for automatically loading date and time. And this is the where whatever the enter in your form, it will be taken by these constants. If nothing is filled, it will return some error like that. This is the function for submitting the form. Here is the object, visitor is the object, and here is the where we see if we press this localhost 5000, that form will open. This is the very big process. If you can run, these are the styles. So where I implemented these are the classes. So to see, you can see sufficient gap is there. See, sufficient gap is there where I kept some margin left, something here to make them all straight line. Here is the button settings I done. Okay, so this is to appear in mobile, to appear neatly in mobile. This is the code. Okay, so my aim is that so what I'm going to tell is that if you are interested, this is a demo video. If you are interested, I will tell in detail. This is a rough video. You think this is a rough video? If it is interested, I will tell detail.